Very few are controversial. These ideas shouldn't be controversial. They're common sense. These tools are not controversial. Things should be controversial.
Medicare was controversial.
I have to say, the reason this has been controversial is, a lot of people have heard this phrase, socialized medicine. And they say, we don't want government-run health care. We don't want a Canadian-style plan. Now, in the past, policy differences have made reauthorizations of this program divisive and controversial. And this has caused some controversy in some places, but it shouldn't be controversial.
Took on some very controversial subjects. Death penalty reform. You and I negotiated that.
And he has emerged as a consistent voice of reason, helping his colleagues find common ground on some of the most controversial and contentious issues the court has ever faced. In recent days, the issue of immigration has become once more a source of fresh contention in our country, with the passage of a controversial law in Arizona and the heated reactions we've seen across America. And I don't think this is a controversial proposition. So when we passed the health care bill that we passed, and it was controversial.
And that has strengthened our cooperation, although we do debate matters in a controversial manner.
Everything in here is the kind of proposal that's been, there should be nothing controversial about this piece of legislation.
Always a controversial call.